That's right. It's time now for our digital life hacks tip. And I was going through the cable channels the other day and I ran across a show called The Hoarders. Have you ever seen that? Okay, it's a great show to watch if you don't feel like cleaning your house. I mean, suddenly your place looks fabulous. You see, we all stash things that we no longer use, but we don't want to part with. And some of that junk could be worth big money. Now, there are plenty of old tech items that are worth a lot of cash. And if you're ready to get a head start on your spring cleaning, here are just a few things to look for and how to learn what they're worth, starting with those early gaming systems. That's right. If you have a Nintendo, because they were mass produced back in the 1980s, if you have a factory sealed cartridge, a copy of the original Mega Man video game, are you ready for this? $75,000. A super rare Mario Brothers game was also purchased for more than 100 grand. Now, they're in pristine condition. Some of them have never been played. They never will. So if you have a Nintendo game sitting in your attic, you might want to look on eBay to see how much those games and that system might be worth. Speaking of games, the Atari 2600. The rarest game is something called the Red Sea Crossing. It was valued at more than 10 grand. People didn't even know it existed until it turned up at a garage sale. But Apple's King, the original Macintosh computer, released back in 1984, if you still have one, it's probably worth about 2 grand on eBay. What about the first gen iPhone? I have one of those. Well, the newest iPhone is going to cost you about $1,500, but an unopened iPhone 2G sold for $4,500. Wow. A used 4 gigabyte iPhone with the original box sold for more than $1,000. I should be saving these boxes. All right, the Ipod Classic, a U2 edition 30 gig iPod sold for $90,000. Wow. An unopened 10 gig first gen Billie Holiday edition iPod is worth $7,500, they say. What about a Commodore 64? I think we have one of those laying around on one of these shelves here. Let's see. If you have one in mint condition, $1,200. Vinyl records. What? Yes, if you have vinyl records, big money there. See, My Happiness from Elvis Presley, $300,000. There's the king. Buddy Holly's, rather, that'll be the day. Released in 1958. If you have a copy in mint condition, could be worth $1,500. So bottom line here is that you might have some things that are worth some money that are just collecting dust. And before you just throw them into the pile for a garage sale, yard sale, or throw them up on eBay, make sure that you find out how much they're worth. Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.